Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima and I'm a spiritualist. On today's video, I want to share with us how you can use your early morning urine to fight your enemies, to attract abundance in your life, to neutralize every spell working against you in your life with your early morning urine. Your early morning urine is very powerful and you can use it to do so many things. You will use it to neutralize poison. You will use it to attract favor. You will use it to destabilize your enemies. You can use it to attract good things in your life. And you can use it to break curses following you. Yes, only with your early morning urine. And I have done a lot of videos on early morning urine on my channel. But today is how you can use your early morning urine with salt to better your life. I know most of you don't know how powerful your early morning urine is, because when you wake up early morning, you go to the toilet and urinate and flush it and go. But you can use it to reverse every cause that is in your life, everything that is not going well in your life. Only your early morning urine will solve that problem for you. How do you use your early morning urine? Let me tell you, your early morning urine is the last urine you urinate in the morning. We know some people used to urinate midnight, maybe 2 or 3 times. But that urine that you pass out around 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., that your last urine that you urinate before you take your bath, use it as your early morning urine. You have to urinate inside a cup or inside a container. And when you want to bath, that's your bucket of water that you want to use to take your bath. Pour that early morning urine inside that bucket. Then get me your sea salt or table salt. If you have a sea salt, take 7 stones of sea salt and add inside that water that you have mixed your early morning urine. If you don't have the sea salt, you can use the table salt. You take 1 teaspoon of table salt and put inside a bucket of water of the urine that you mix. But I advise you to use the sea salt. So when you put it inside that your bathing water, begin to pray that whatever that is not of God, that is working against you, that is making you to walk an elephant and eat like an ant, that is making people to hate you, that is causing stagnation, hatred, blockages, setback, delay, that is making your partners to help you. Yes, there are some kind people, they cannot sit and talk with their partner without quarreling. They don't play, they don't crack joke, they don't bath together, they don't eat together, and you say you are married, you are having a partner, while your partner should be your body on earth. Your partner should be your nest 5 and 6. Yes, as long as it is ordained by God and you are married. Your partner, the partner you see is your mother. Your partner you see is your father. You should be able to interact with your partner. You should be able to play with your wife, with your husband, because marriage is not a do and die affair. Marriage is not for endurance. Marriage is happiness. Use this particular method to revive your marriage and work on your attitude, because most of us have bad attitude towards our partner. When there is no money, you will hate your partner. When your partner doesn't provide what you want, you start misbehaving. But 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Yes, when your partner is passing through difficulties, the reason why you are there is to support him, to pray for him. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 in inside marriage. And if your partner doesn't have it and you have it, you have to be the one bringing money out. Whether you are a woman, whether you are a man, is going to make your partner to respect you. There are men who appreciate what their women do. There are also women who appreciate what their men do. Yes. Let me tell you something. Those little girls you see outside there, when you fall sick on your sick bed, they will not come and take care of you. You have to love your wife. And wife, love your husband. Love your partner. And you will have peace in your marriage. So add these two ingredients, coffee, sea salt, in your bucket of water. Pray your way out. That thing that has been troubling you, that thing that is giving you sleepless night, don't go to your friends and explain to them, because they will use it to mock you. Yes, because you don't know if that your friend you are complaining to is waiting for your downfall. That is why you have to keep secret. You have to keep your family problem as a secret. Yes, you don't have to go to your wash your dirty knees outside. If you go and tell your friend that your business is shaking, when they see you, they will be smiling. They will be happy that things are not working well for you. But when you are progressing, when they see you, they will be scared. They will say, wow, God is really blessing this person. But when you are begging, that is when people are happy. They want to see your downfall. Never you allow your enemies' wishes to come to pass in your life. I know the kind of friends you mix up with. If you keep bad friends, if you tell them you are having problem with your wife, they will want to put asunder. They will like to put catastrophe in your own family. And when you allow that, the devil has started manipulating you. In order for you to remain 100% spiritually, you don't need anybody to manipulate you. Use your early morning urine and sea salt and a bucket of water, this way that I have directed you, and make your prayers. Anything bringing stagnation, anything bringing catastrophe in my life, in my family, I am using this recipe to revive anything that I don't want in my life. Is it your finances that is going down? Is it your business that is going down? Is it your marriage that is about to end? Pray with that water and your early morning urine and tell God to restore your business. Tell God to restore your marriage. Tell God to restore your destiny. Yes, any man or woman that is plotting evil against you, that wants your downfall, that is bringing blockages, that is making any utterances, that is working against your life and against your destiny, that as you are taking this bait this morning, that you call God in heaven, that this urine comes out from your body, and you are using your man urine and salt and water to neutralize every cause, to neutralize every affliction, to neutralize every infection in your body, to neutralize every sickness that has been ordained by any man or any woman that is having effective in your life. That you are using this bait, you are using this spiritual bait to revive every evil utterances in your life. Then after you make your intention known, after praying, then you need to take your bait. You can use your soap to bait on this particular recipe from your heads to your toes, from your heads to your toes. Remember, you have to do this completely 7 days. And remember, when you are doing this, you must not have sex. And if you are seeing your period, you cannot do this. Go and try this recipe out. Your early morning urine and sea salt to break the bowels, to liberate yourself from every utterances, from every delay, from every setback, from every blockages, from every catastrophes, people who want to put confusion in your life, in your marriage. Go and try this recipe out and come back with your testimony. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor. Press the red button down below this video and turn the notification bell to on in order to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up on my videos and comment on the comment section. We also have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it, and it has been testimonies upon testimonies. Yes, my name still remains Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We have the curse breaking soap, road opening soap, anti-witchcraft soap, back to sender soap, spiritual cleansing bath detox. We also have the favor soap and the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. If you are having moving objects, if something is crawling in your body, if you are having hotness of the body and you have been to the hospital, the doctors doesn't know what to call it. They diagnose it and they see nothing. You must run for your dear life. I can beat up my chest and tell you that my products are tested and trusted, particularly this Equobo Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver. It is one in town. Somebody bought this particular item from Switzerland, and after taking it, the woman vomited cockroach that has been crawling on inside her body for over 5 years. Yes, we also have the favor soap. We have the stop evil oil, 99 demon manipulation oil. If you are being manipulated by the devil, if you are hearing strange voice, you are experiencing follow demon on assignment, we have the 99 demon manipulation destroying oil. If you need each and every of my product, or if you want to talk to me, you want us to discuss about your spiritual problems, don't hesitate to call me. My number is +2347088136610, +2347088136610. That is my number. And remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Feel free to communicate with me, chat me on WhatsApp. Let us discuss on modalities, how I can ship my spiritual materials for you. I ship through DHL, FedEx, EMS, and my number is on the screen. If you have anything to discuss with me, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, and God bless you. Go and try this particular recipe out with your early morning urine and sea salt, and see how God is going to open doors of richness and favor for you. And so shall it be. See you in my next video. Bye for now.